Hello, my dear children. Let's get back to our lesson. Okay, listen. We have learned in the previous classes how to write the numbers in Indian system of numeration. Okay, now in this section, let us learn about international system of numerations. Okay, so now let us recall the Indian place value chart. Listen, all of you. What is the Indian place value chart? Always start with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this. Okay. So here these ones, tens, 100 together are called ones period, and 1000 and 10,000 together are called thousands period, and lakhs and 10 lakhs together are called lakhs period, and crore and 10 crore together are called crore period. Okay, these ideas we have already studied. Yes or no? Yes. Now in your international place value system what? Say ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay. So, your Indian place value system is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 after lakh. But here, in Indian international system of numeration, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 after 100,000. Okay. So don't remember, so recall them. Okay, 100,000, next million, 10 million, 100 million, after billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, so here ones, tens, 100 together are called ones period. Okay, then after 1000 and 10,000, 100,000, these both. Okay, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 together are called thousand period, and million, 10 million, 100 million together are called millions period. Okay, and billion, 10 billion, 100 billion together are called billion period. Okay, so that's the difference. In Indian place value system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 after lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, but in international system of numeration is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 million, 100 billion. Okay, children? The main difference between these two systems of numeration is in the placing of the commas. Yes or no? Yes. In Indian place value system, the first comma is put after the 100 place. Yes or no? Consider one number. Okay, so in Indian system, the first comma is put after the hundreds place. So ones, tens, 100. Then after two more places. Yes or no? The next comma comes after two more places. So 1, 2. That is after the 10,000 place. The next comma comes after two more place. So that is lakhs, 10 lakhs, after the 10 lakh, then crore, 10 crore, then after. Okay, like this going. That is Indian place value system. But in international place value system, the commas are put after the regular period. Okay, same number, consider same number. Okay. Okay, now in Indian place value system, the commas are put after regular intervals of 3 places. So ones, tens, 100. Then after the thousands period. Thousands period means this is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Then after million, 10 billion, 100 billion, like this, okay. So, எப்போவுமே Indian place value chartல first வரது ones, tens, 100க்கு பிறகு என்ன செய்யணும், நம்ம கமா போடும்போது 2 places-ஆ கமா போடுவோம். அதே இது இன்டர்நேஷனல் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டத்தில் நம்ம கமா போடும்போது first 3 places சேம் ஈக்குவல் தான், அதுக்கு பிறகு 3 places-ஆ கமா போட்டு போகணும். இந்தியன் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டத்தில் first 3 places after 2 places, okay. But here international place value system 3 places after you put comma, 3 places after you put the commas, okay children, do you understand? Okay, now how do you read this in Indian place value system? Say the answer. How do you read this? Using the Indian place value, okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So read it. 72 crore, 30 lakhs, 52,509. This is Indian place value system. But in your international place value system, the place value is, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, okay, 100,000. Here lakh is equal to, here is 100,000, okay, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So now you read it. This is million period, okay. So 723 million 52,509, okay. Okay children, 723 million. So எப்போ ரீட் பண்ணாலும் அதோட அந்த பீரியடோட சேர்த்து ரீட் பண்ணணும். இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது, மில்லியன் பீரியட், இது 1000 பீரியட், இது ஒன்ஸ் பீரியட். ஸோ அப்போ ரீட் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி ரீட் பண்ணணும், 723 millions 52,509, okay. Do you understand? One more example. Listen. One more example. Okay, so let us read the number in international place value system, okay. So reading, before reading you put the commas first, okay, that is very important. Before reading the numbers you put the commas first, okay. So in international place value system, ones, tens, 100, then after 1000, 10,000, 100,000 after comma, okay. Then million, 10 billion and 100 million. Now you read 225 million 752,501. Okay, listen. 225 million 752,501. Okay children, now understand? Yes. Now let's go to the exercise. Exercise 1.3, okay. 1.3. Exercise 1.3. All of you take your classwork notes. Write today's date and day, okay. You write it in your classwork note. Now you copy from the board, okay. Exercise 1.3. The first question. First question. Write neatly, children. Write neatly, children. Write neatly. Okay, listen. Okay, listen now. Exercise 1.3. The first question. Write the following numerals with appropriate commas. Okay, your question is write the following numerals with appropriate commas. The first question is 20 lakh 86,456. 20 lakh 86,456. So now you write the numerals. Here your question is given in words. Okay. Your question is given in words. So you write with the numerals. Numeral means numbers. You can write the numbers. Okay. So 20 lakh 86,000 lakhs is there. So here which system is using? Indian place value system. Yes or no? Lakh, crore. So that is Indian place value system. So this is the Indian place value system. So you put the place value chart is in rough work. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now 29 lakh. 29 lakh. So 29 lakh is 29 lakh. So 2, 10 lakhs, 9 lakhs. That's why 29 lakh. Sorry, 20 lakh, yes? Okay, 20 lakh, 20 lakh, okay? 20 lakh, 86,000. 1,000 is 86. 86,456. So, your number is, your numeral is 20 lakh, 86,456. 20,886,456. Now, what is the question? With appropriate comma. This is the numerals. So now you put the comma, okay? Your comma first is 3 places after ones, tens, 100. Then after the 10,000 place, thousands, 10,000 place. Then after lakh, 10 lakh. Okay? Okay, my dear children? Yes. So the first question, 20,86,456. 20,86,456. Okay. Then second question, 11 crore. 11 crore. Crore is coming. So this question also Indian place value system of numeration. Yes or no? Yes. So 11 crore. So 11 crore, 50 lakh. So then next question, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So 11 crore, 2 numbers, that is 2 digit, 11 crore, 50 lakh. So 50 lakh, 3,000. Here 10,000 is not given. Okay. Only 3,000 only given. 3,048. 100 is not given. Yes or no? Yes. 100 is not given. 48. So in 100 place you put 0 and 10,000 place also not given anything. So you put 0. Okay. Now you read 11 crore, 50 lakh, 3,048. So your answer is 11 crore, 50 lakh, 3,048. Okay. Now you put the comma. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, children? So, Indian place value system, comma போடும்போது careful போடணும். First வந்து Indian place value system, international place value system are same. Okay. எப்பவுமே 3 place after. Then after Indian place value system means 2 place after you put the comma. Okay. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Now third question, 12,371,563. Okay. Here is million is coming. Million. So million is coming means that is international system of numeration. So your international system of numeration. So you put the place value chart. International place value chart. Okay. So first is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So first one is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Now you put the numbers. 12 million. 12 million. Okay. So where is million? Here. 12. 1, 2. So 2 million. This is a 10 million. So 12 million. 371,000. This is our 1,000 period. So 371,563. 563. Listen children, one more time I will explain. 12,371,563. Okay. So 12 million. You see the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So now your question is 12 million. 12 million. 371,000. This is the million period. This is the thousands period. Okay. So 371,563. Okay. So you write the answer here. 12,371,563. 563. Okay. Now you put the comma. First ones, tens, 100 after one comma, then after the thousands period. So ones, tens, 100 like. Okay. Okay. Now fourth question. 970 million. Okay. 970 million 621,546. Okay. The fourth question. So I wrap the numbers. Okay. Now fourth one. 970 million. Here is the millions period here. Okay. So 900. 100 million is given. So that is 970 million 621,546. Okay. Read the number. 970 million 621,546. Okay. So your answer is 970 million 621,546. Now you put the comma. 546. Okay. After you put the comma, then after the thousands period. So ones, tens, that is 1,000. This is 10,000. This is 100,000. Okay. So you put the comma after million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, children. Okay. Do you understand or not? So comma போடும்போது ரொம்ப careful போடு. Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, you put the comma. First is 3 place. That is as usual. Indian place value system and international place value system is equal. Then after முதல்ல போடும்போது 3 place தான் கமா போடுவோம். அப்புறம் என்ன செய்வோம்? 2 places. ஓகே. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 place கழிச்சு அப்புறம் 2 places கழிச்சு கமா போடணும். இது இந்தியன் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டத்துல. இன்டர்நேஷனல் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 places, ஆஃப்டர் ஆல்சோ 3 places. Okay. Okay children. Okay. Now do you understand? Okay. Now take the classwork note and write it. Okay. ஸோ எப்போ நீ உன்னோட ஒரு வேர்டை வந்து நம்ம நியூமரல்ஸாக மாற்றும் போது கண்டிப்பாக இதே மாதிரி ஒரு பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சார்ட் போட்டுட்டு நம்பரை போட்டு ரஃப்ல செய்து பார்த்துட்டு எழுதுங்க. ஸோ அப்படி எழுதும்போது நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? எந்த ஒரு மிஸ்டேக்ஸுமே வராது. கிளியர்? எஸ். நவ் ரைட் இட் இன் யுவர் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட். Exercise 1.3. Write the heading. Exercise 1.3. First question. Write the following numerals with appropriate commas. Okay. You first write exercise 1.3. Then after write the following numerals with appropriate commas. First question, second question, third question, fourth question. Okay. This is the rough work. Okay children. So you write with pencil. Okay. This is the rough work only. So you write with pencil. Okay. So these are you write in pen only. Write with pen only. But this is the rough work. So you write with pencil. Okay. Write neatly children. Write neatly. Same time you write it carefully. Okay. So numbers are given, so don't confusing. Write it properly. First question, write the following numerals with appropriate commas. First one, 20,86,456. And second question, 11 crore 50 lakh 3,048. Third question, 12,371,500 63. And last, fourth one, 970 million 621,546. Write it neatly. Write neatly and clearly. Along with your homework, you have sent to classwork also. Okay, children? I have to check your handwriting. So, along with your homework, you have sent to, that is classwork also. Write neatly, children. Have you finished the question, first question? I hope you have written the first question. Now, the second question is, write the following numerals in words. Okay, write the following numerals in words. In both the Indian and international system. In both Indian and international system. Write the following numerals in words in both Indian and international system. Okay. The first question is, listen children, write the following numerals in words in both the Indian and international system. Okay, here your question is given in numerals. So you write in words. Okay, so use it two systems. Both system also you want to write. Okay, Indian and international system. So first is Indian system. Indian system. Now read the numbers. How do you read this? Before reading, you put the commas first. Okay. So in Indian system, before reading, you put the commas first. Then now you say the comma ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now you read it. 74, 74 crore, 38 lakh, 74 crore, 38 lakh, 91,000, and 658. Okay, 658. Okay, listen children. In Indian system place value is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so before reading the number, first you put the commas. Okay, so ones, tens, 100 after one comma, after 1000, 10,000 after another comma, and lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, the comma is there. Next, crore and 10 crore. Okay, now you read the number. This is the crore period. This is lakhs, thousands. This is the 100, tens, ones. Okay, so 70, that is 74 crore, 38 lakhs, 91,658. 74 crore, 38 lakh, 91,658. Okay, now international system. This is international system. So your number is, okay, how do you read this? Before reading, you put the commas first. Okay, so as usual, ones, tens, 100 after one comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay children? Yes, now you write the answer. This is which period? Million. Okay, so read பண்ணும்போது சேர்த்து read பண்ணணும். This is million, this is thousand, this is ones. Okay, so 743 million. So 743 million 891,000 891. Okay, 91,658. 658. Okay, do you understand? You see the number. So one question is given. You write the following numerals in words in both Indian and international system. Both. Okay, both system we need. So first one is Indian system. So before reading, first you put the commas. Okay, so first one is in Indian system 74 crore, 38 lakh, 91,658. Same number. I am using international system. 743 million 891,658. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? எப்பவுமே ரீட் பண்ணும்போது இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டத்தில் ரீட் பண்ணும்போது அந்தந்த பீரியடை சேர்த்து ரீட் பண்ணணும். எல்லாத்துலேயுமே அப்படிதான். இந்த இதுலேயும் பாரு, இந்தியன் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ சிஸ்டத்துலேயும் இது 1000 பீரியட், லேக்ஸ் பீரியட், க்ரோர் பீரியட். ஸோ ரீட் பண்ணும்போது சேர்த்து ரீட் பண்ணணும். 74 crore, 38 lakh, 91,658. This is a once period. So that's why 658. Okay, same. That is 743 million 891,658. Okay children? Yes. Now take your classwork note and copy it in your classwork. Continue the first question. Okay, this is the second question. Write the following numerals in words in both Indian and international system. Numbers given, that is numerals given. Okay, and you write in words in both Indian and international system. Indian system also given, international system also given. Okay, write both systems. Write fast, children. Second question. Write the following numerals in words in both Indian and international system. Question number 1. So you write in both Indian and international systems, okay, in words. Have you finished the second question, first part? Now, one more question. I hope you have written. One more number, okay? Same question only. Okay. Now you say your number is given. So write in words in both Indian and international system. Okay. First system is Indian system. Okay. Now we want to put the commas first. Okay. So ones, tens, 100 after 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, this is crore. So, how do you read this? 3, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so 3 crore, 92,000. That is 92 lakh. Okay. So 92 lakh 51,000 51,258 258. Okay. 3 crore, 92 lakhs, 51,258. 258. Okay. Now international system. Write the numbers. Okay. Same number. So now you put the commas. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. Then after 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 after comma. This is million, 10 million. Here no 100 million is not there. So this is 39 million. Okay. So 39 million. 251,000. This is one period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is together are called thousands period. So 251,000. 51,258. 258. Okay, children. This is Indian place value system, that is using the Indian place value. Here is using international place value. Okay. So your international place value 39,251,258. Okay. Now clear? Do you understand? Yes. Now these questions also copy it in your classwork note. Second question. Already first question is written in your classwork note. This is the second question. Okay. Write fast. Okay, children. Now all of you take your book, your homework. Okay. Your homework is page number 12. Page number 12. Listen, children. Now all of you take your book, page number 12. Page number 12. All of you take your book, page number 12. See the first question. Write the following numerals with appropriate commas. Okay. Your homework is in first question, second part, fifth part, seventh part and ninth part. Okay. In first question, second one, fifth one, seventh one and ninth one. Okay. In question number 2, second one, third one, fifth one and seventh one. Okay. These are in your homework. Write it in your homework note. Okay, children. Do yourself and practice all the sums. Practice all the sums again and again in your note. Okay, in one rough note. Okay, children. Now we will see in the continuation of this in the class. in the next class. Okay. Thank you.